All right, quick update. Still on the stand, still got the plastics on it. I've been working on the wheels forever, man. But let's show you where I'm at. I took the tires, I dismantled the tires with zip ties off the rims. Learned that from YouTube. All right. That's where we at. We got the paint off the front rim. I'm trying to polish this, but that's just too hard to do, man. I think I might try to just find some chrome rims and use that to take it off with. But look what I found online. This is a 4-inch extended swing arm. I'm gonna put that on it. See, I'm removing the paint now. Aircraft remover. That's where we at. I'm gonna have to send this off tomorrow to get it polished. Everything. So look, chrome. I'm gonna buy a chrome back rim for it. See, it's hard. That's porous. See how porous that is? That's just too much work, man. So that's where I'm at, y'all. Quick update. I probably could polish them out, but man, that's just too much work. So, all right.